So this is a really quick way to work with regular repeat patterns. So I'm going to start by just making a shape. And I'm going to make a line. If I hold down Shift, it'll give me a straight line. If I move this line around, roughly to the center, try to get it as close to the center. Usually there's like guides that'll tell me, but it's okay. I put my line in the center. I'm going to select the rotate tool. I'm going to rotate it, push down Alt or Option so I can get the copy. And then I'm going to release the mouse, and then I'm going to release Option. Then I'm going to go on my keyboard and select Command D. So now I have lines that have separated this circle. I'm going to select all of that space, go over to the Pathfinder, and I want to divide these spaces. So I'm going to select Divide, and then Object, Ungroup. So now I have separate items. So say I want to just select a few, and I'm going to select that few. Oh, perfect. This is my color window. You can find it in Windows color, and then you can select grayscale so that you already have a gradient. So I'm going to fill those with that particular gray. And since I want this to move towards the back, I might keep it a little lighter. So the idea is to not use black or white, to only use near white or near black, just so that it's pretty clear that you understand how to work between black and white. So I'm just going to select over, maybe move through. I have an outline. Now the outline doesn't necessarily serve you. It actually flattens out compositions. So you can just go ahead and remove it. So it looks like this one got moved a little bit. There we go. All right, so I have this, and now that I have it kind of how I want it, I'm just going to group it back. So I selected all of it, and I just went over to my quick actions. You would also find it in Object Group. So I'm going to group everything together, and I want an alternating pattern. So because I want that alternating pattern, I'm just going to go edit color, invert. And it's going to invert that relationship that I had. So in order to make a pattern, things should repeat at least 3 times. So I'll go ahead and hold Option and Shift. And I see I might need to shrink this just a little bit, holding down Shift so I can constrain proportions. And I'm going to repeat it one more time. Now I see I can make it a little bit larger. Now that I have this rhythm, I'm going to Object Group this together, hold down Shift and Option, repeat, Command D. So now I very quickly have this alternating pattern, right? Alternating pattern within my space. And they're pushing and pulling, going backwards and forwards as it goes through. Okay.